everyone, it's Tereese. I am back with a video. It's a little haul video from Dollar Tree. I was going to do Enos's No Spend collab, and nope, it didn't work. I was doing good until today. So I went to Dollar Tree. I went to 2 Dollar Trees. I have 4 that I normally do my rounds. 2 were renovating, so they were closed for renovation. And then the other 2, I was able to find some stuff. And I wanted to come on and share because they're starting to bring out all their back to school items. And I found these bags. I got black and I got 2 black and 2 pink. So I love these to put in collections or similar things together. So I got that. And I was really surprised that I found this snack stackers. And it has a Lazy Susan. And it's really cute and it's pink. So I'm not going to use it for snacks. I don't think I will. But I just thought this was so cute. This was $7, by the way, at Dollar Tree. But they are so adorable. So I did get that. This is from one Dollar Tree. And then I found some of these strawberry scented what do you call them? Pens. Like this is rainbow pen. It's a scented pen with all these fruity scents. And then I got this one. I just love the strawberry. Then I found this keychain. It says strawberry cream. I thought that was so, I love the packaging. This packaging is simply adorable. So I got 2 of those. And it has these little cute, I don't know, gems in the container, in this keychain. I needed more of these, so I got that. I bought these little composition books. Not that I need any, but these were adorable. I love the pattern in these. This one has hearts and wavy stripes and like a colorful gingham. This one has stripes, different colors, and very interesting pattern. I just thought these 2 were adorable. I just had to get those. And then I found these. I think I have some of these already, but I wanted this purple one for like Halloween, and then this pink one is just for like every day. So I got 2 of those. And my mom, she's going to be 90 next year, and she loves doing word finds. So I bought her a couple of large print word finds. I think this one is large print too. So I got her a couple more that she said that she used up all the ones that I gave her for Mother's Day. So that is for my mom. And then I went to another Dollar Tree and I found these Post-it or sticky notes. I just love the packaging. I just love it. I'm going to keep it for just the packaging. So I can use it on something. And sorry for the crinkle. I saw this tray. It is Let me see if I can show it to you. And I thought of Lolly. We're at Lollapalooza. Um, I just thought it was adorable. And I would have gotten two if I had known that the other two Dollar Trees were closed. I would have gotten two of these. Then I found this scented highlighter and pen. And I don't know if the pen is, I think it's a pink color. Oh, cool. I love it. Oh, and this is a dual fine tip and a chisel tip. Interesting. Got that because I don't know what is up with Dollar Tree and the strawberries. I found some flat diamond filler. This, I liked it for this color and this color, but they're all so pretty. Yeah, I got that. Then I found a couple of these. These are index holders. Index card holders is what they're calling it. And I thought that was cute. I got a couple of them. And then I found another card. I don't know what is wrong with me. I have so many. Ooh, I just ripped that up. Okay. I have a different one that just has Snoopy, and oh, these have just Snoopy too. Oh, not really. They have some of the other characters. Okay, what is Jack? Linus. Okay. I wanted, some of these guys. Oh, sorry, I'm not even showing it. But I love Snoopy. I just love that little doggy. So adorable. So I got that. And then I found some charms that I was surprised to see at my Dollar Tree. So I bought, this is the only one I found. This one has a little gummy bear, a ball with, gosh, Tereese, a gummy bear, a lollipop, and this ball filled with colorful balls. I thought that was cute. I wish there was more. I would have bought more of these. I did find this one. It just has an assortment of, like flowers. I think that might be a bumblebee. What else? What else is in here? A bird. Yeah, real cute. I think I got a couple of them. Oh, this one says love and hope. Cute charms. I was just like, okay, nice. This is another pack of the same one. So yeah, that is my haul from Dollar Tree, guys. I'm pretty pleased what I got. I specifically went out because I have to get my car serviced for our trip. And they told me that I needed to make sure that it was half a tank. And so mine was, 3/4 of a tank. So I was like, oh, well, I'm going to go and go caravanting. In Hawaii, we call it holo holo. So, so I did that, and I bought some stuff. I could have gone to Hobby Lobby and Michael's and all that, but I'm not gonna go there for a while. But this is my haul for today. I am really happy about these pens. I love the strawberry, and the highlighter is just simply adorable, and this is adorable. I just couldn't help it. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great rest of your week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.